Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful herbs you can add to your kitchen and wellness routine. Rosemary. Not only is this herb packed with flavor, but it's also loaded with health benefits that go way beyond just seasoning your food. Hey everyone, welcome back to Herbal Help. Today we're exploring the amazing health benefits of rosemary. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos on natural health and wellness. Let's start with some basics. Rosemary is an evergreen herb that originates from the Mediterranean region. For centuries, it's been celebrated for its flavor and medicinal properties. But what makes rosemary so powerful? Let's break down the top 10 health benefits of this super herb. Adding rosemary to your diet, even as a tea, can be a simple way to support your body's natural defenses. Next time you need a mental boost, take a moment to enjoy rosemary's scent. It could be the perfect pick-me-up. A few drops of rosemary oil in a diffuser can create a calming environment that helps you relax, even during stressful times. Try sipping on rosemary tea after a meal. It's soothing and aids in digestion, especially after a heavy or fatty meal. So whether you're cooking with rosemary or using it in teas, it's a great herb to have on hand for immune support. Rosemary oil can also improve circulation. Massaging diluted rosemary oil on your skin can boost blood flow, especially helpful if you experience cold hands and feet. Try it out after a workout or when you're dealing with aches. It's a natural alternative to pain relief. If you're looking to add volume and health to your hair, rosemary oil might be just what you need. Recent studies suggest that rosemary might even protect your eyes. Carnosic acid in rosemary has been shown to support retinal health and may prevent age-related eye issues. It's a simple, refreshing way to support liver health, especially if you're aiming to detox naturally. So there you have it, 10 amazing ways rosemary can benefit your health. Whether you're adding it to your meals, using it as a natural remedy, or just enjoying its fresh aroma, rosemary is a versatile herb with a lot to offer. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and comment below with how you like to use rosemary. I'd love to hear your ideas. Until next time, stay healthy by eating healthy.